Okay, I don't know what happened here, but hello. Yeah, I don't know if it's working right or not, but hey, I'm a virgin on this stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to get the front brake on here. And I gave up my stool to put the camera on. I was gonna sit on the stool while I did it. So theoretically, I just take this screw out and then we'll put the brake on here. Okay, let's go. Where's the screw hole? Where's the hole? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Should be pretty obvious, but must be. Oh, you know what? Back to the instructions. Okay. Front wheel, front line, front fender. Okay. I haven't finished the front fender yet, but oh, that's weird. Listen to the two-piece screw on the front brake. Two-piece screw. Oh, must be these things. Okay, I think I kind of see. Wait a second. This is looking like the brake is supposed to be on the left side of the bike. The mounts look like they're on the right side. Okay, what's going on here? That is really weird. Yeah, because right here on the instructions, it's funny. Take the one screw, the longest one, to install the front light and the front fender. To install sequence is front light, front fender, blah, 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 and tighten the front. I won't get into that. We're going to go back to the wheel and the tire. Take out the 15 millimeter wrench to loosen the front fork protect screw. Install the front wheel on the front fork. Note that the brake disc must, it says D-I-S-E, brake disc, must be on the left side of the bike. Same side as the rear brake disc, which is on the left side of the bike. So, I'm wondering, maybe the forks are backwards. That's crazy. Okay, I think the forks are backwards, so we need to spin it 180. Means I gotta take the fender off again. Okay, well, you know what I always say? I'm only a man. So that's what's weird. I mean, their instructions are just, well, most people have done the Chinese instructions before, so you know that they're, yeah, it can be a kind of a pain in the butt. So, hope I don't get too adult when I start turning this fork around. I don't know. I don't think I gotta take the front wheel off. No, I do. I do gotta take the front wheel off again. Luckily, it's got the quick release, but okay. Hey kids, are we having fun yet? Oh, Billy, your mom called. Is there a Billy here? So, okay. There's the screw, another screw on the ground with a washer. Okay, now. So plastic fender, by the way. I don't know, the bike seems pretty good. It's a Cyberbell. It seems pretty good so far. So now we're going to loosen up the quick release on the front wheel, which was a pain in the butt to get it right to begin with. And then I'm going to I gotta turn the wheel around, turn the forks around. I gotta take the wheel off. Okay. So we got the front wheel off, but now we gotta turn the stinking forks around. So the bracket that holds this brake thing is on the left side. Does anybody here have a 5mm wrench? Okay, nobody? Where's everybody at? Okay, so I must have left it. I thought I had it out here. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. And I gotta go grab that 5mm wrench. Okay. This is a 5mm. That's 5. Here's a big one. You're home already? Some people, they just never work.